What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to add your take profits and your stop loss in trade. This is all we're going to be talking about in this video. I have a couple of trades running right here without take profit and stop loss. Now there are two ways in which you can add your take profit and your stop loss. You can add your take profit while taking the trade, as when taking the trade, or you can add your take profit and your stop loss after opening the trade, whichever one works for you. But me, basically, I normally open the trade, then go back to modify my entries. So if you want to place the trade right now and add your take profit and your stop loss, you click on this plus button at the right top right corner. Once you click on it, this market execution, you set your lot size. After setting your lot size, and use 20, then you add your take profit right here and your stop loss. For the purpose of this video, let me just use a random take profit and stop loss. This XAUSD. Let me put my SL at 1880 and put my take profit at 1900. I click on buy. Done. Now this trade I just opened, this is the stop loss and this is the take profit at the top right here. This is the stop loss and this is the take profit. Now there are a couple of trades running right now without take profit and stop loss, and if I want to add take profit and stop loss in this trade, if I click on this last one here, you see the SL and TP are showing. But if I click on this one, there's no SL and TP here. If I want to add SL and TP in this trade, what I'll do is I'll slide to the left, click on this pen right here, and enter the TP I want to enter the SL I want, then modify the trade. Let me go back and look for the TP and SL. Okay, if I want my SL to be at 1881.410 and my TP at 1900, let me go back. My SL is at 1881.410. I'll go here, slide, click on the pen. My SL is 1881.410. Then my TP is at 1900. If I click on modify, the SL and TP has been updated. You can see it's showing two SL, the same TP, because it's at the same place I placed the TP. So if I click on it now, it's showing the SL and TP. You can do that for every other entries. You can do that for virtually every other entries that are here right now. So that's how to basically add your take profits and stop loss in a trade. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed, and there's a link below where I send trading signals, which you can join and get trading signals for yourself. See you in the next video. Peace.